Hello, folks. Well, it's been quite a while since I flew any single bladed propellers or single rotor blade helicopters, almost 14 years ago. I experimented with all types of aircraft, including quadcopters, airplanes, and helicopters with a single rotor blade. You're seeing a few pics in some of those clips. All can be seen by searching my channel for single blades or hammerhead heli, for example, if you want to check out those old videos. So from my old pylon friends who explained to me that their planes are faster with one blade than two or three, I decided to try back then and now again today. Well, I can certainly see the logic behind it and everything and the physics, but again, I'm always surprised at how well this works. What we all found out is that the machines run longer on batteries and have smoother flights. This is because it takes more power to turn more blades, and the air for one blade is smooth as it's not being interfered with any other blade. You might also want to check out those old videos and my friend A.D. Zobrist, who decided to, after I made my first video, try his 3D helicopter with one blade, which is pretty impressive. So here's some quick clips of some of the single bladed props and rotor blades that I did in the past before we try and see what happens on the fly-barless Eachine 180 direct drive helicopter. I'm simply doing this for my own benefit, keep the brain going.
In the grass. Well, look at that. Arm.
So loving my Eachine 180, I decided to use my balancing method to try it on since it's fly-barless. Let's see what happens.
I'm running out of power. That's it. One rotor blade, and it does just fine.
Well, thanks to iLive for helping, and thanks for watching, folks. If nothing else, doing stuff like this keeps the mind active. So keep that in mind, and please stay tuned by subscribing. This is Dave, the Night Flyer, signing off till the next episode. Happy flying.